The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video I'm going to present to you two pieces of videos that are out on social media, and I'm going to start off with one of these videos. And the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a member of parliament within the country of Jamaica who goes by the name of Audley. And comments have been made about this video on social media that gave me the understanding that many persons are wondering if Audley can manage to do the job of a minister within the country of Jamaica. Comments have been made about this video on social media that gave me the understanding that many persons are concerned about Audley's health. You see me? Now I'm going to present this video to you, and then we'll talk a little bit more about this whole thing where it is said that persons are wondering if Audley is in the best of health to be a minister within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now this video that I'm about to present to you, this video is going to show Audley at the swearing-in ceremony that happened at King's House within the parish of St. Andrew, that's at the country of Jamaica. And this swearing-in ceremony happened on the 13th of September 2020. Yeah, the 13th of September 2020. All right, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I, Audley Fitzalbert Shaw, do swear that I'll be faithful and bear true allegiance to Jamaica, that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and the laws of Jamaica, and that I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibilities to the people of Jamaica, so help me God. I, Audley Fitzalbert Shaw, being appointed minister, do swear that I will, to the best of my judgment at all times when so required, freely give my counsel and advice to the Governor General or any other person for the time being lawfully performing the function of that office for the good management of the public affairs of Jamaica. And I do further swear that I will not on any account, at any time whatsoever, disclose the counsel, advice, opinion, or vote of any particular minister or parliamentary secretary, and that I will not, except with the authority of the cabinet and to such extent as may be required for the good management of the affairs of Jamaica, directly or indirectly reveal the business or proceeding.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, the video that shows Audley at the swearing-in ceremony that happened on the 13th of September 2020 at King's House within the parish of St. Andrew, that's at the country of Jamaica. Now I'm going to explain to you, according to how I understand some words that I saw in a very small article by the Gleaner about this whole thing, where it is said that the public is concerned about Audley's health and if Audley is able to do his job as a minister within the country of Jamaica, you see? Now, according to how I understand some of the things that have been said in that small article, I get the understanding that the article is saying that Audley is 68 years old, and that Audley has disclosed that he was nursing a vocal cord injury. Yeah, so it would seem as if many persons were concerned about Audley's health because of how his voice sounded when he was talking at the swearing-in ceremony. So may I say to you? Now viewers and subscribers, I wanted to please bear in mind that we are all human beings, you know, and at times persons might get sick or might get ill. You see what I'm saying to you? So if if Audley is able to do his job as a minister, and if he is in the best of health, I think it is okay for him to do his job as a minister, or continue to do his job as a minister. You see what I'm saying to you? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about this whole thing where it is said that the public is concerned about Audley's health and if he is able to do his job as a minister. You see me? Now, Audley is the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce. Alright? Alright. Now, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, and this video is going to show a person who goes by the name of Prettii Don on social media. And I'm going to present to you just a piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And this video is out on social media where it is said that Prettii Don is defending Ivany. Alright? Now, for those who might not know, something happened where females attacked Ivany at a house, and Ivany had been taken to a police station. And you know, from there on, I did not get much information about Ivany. You understand? It is said that Ivany had been arrested, but I do not have any information about the charges and so on. I get the understanding that many persons on social media called Ivany a scammer or a thief or so on. But however, according to some of the things that have been said about this video that I'm about to present to you that shows Prettii Don talking about Ivany, it is said that this video shows Prettii Don defending Ivany. You see what I say? But anyways, this video is going to show Prettii Don talking about Ivany. And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Funny, I can't believe that's a relationship breach. Me and a friend. Me and a friend. If I was down there, them couldn't go to fucking Vanya to try beat my friend. No. Mother can't do the gringo them over there anyway. Yo, me I go back her. Yeah, we're 15 minutes up. Vanya, that's always remember the cost of my love is no charge. No charge. What damn? Yo. Me a stick with me Vany. Me not left him out. And me Alva, yes, anytime I fly guy yard, Vany come over me. Me animal see the guy. Una not got trouble Vany, you know. Una not got liquor or door, not, you know, because the other day me wanna blame her for thieving money. And I claim say rapper boy with the fake money, them a him thieving girl money. The woman send the money go get the thief in blood clot scammer boy, but him have minus $800,000 in the Yaku. But minus 800,000. You know, sister, a bank code that boy. A bank code broke boy. You broke like a dog. But Vany, Ray, the woman send the money for you go send give Vany. You don't send it, but you come by internet, but the girl thief 6 bills here. How somebody will send 6 bills, come give you, send you go give Vany, and then you go say Vany thief your money. Go boy, go. Go. I'm turning on the low out Vany. And if I know what about Vany and thief, you don't stop it. And that boss Vany, we know Vany a thief. If you don't want blood clot, give Vany on the thing, see how you go on. Me a thief, Vany a thief, and we don't want trust thief do it. Trust thief at to know one blood clot cost. And you look a fake rapper. But blood clot, you will have a fake money, the boy have and show out in a blood clot video and sitting. Shut the fuck up. And send back human money go gear.
Viewers and subscribers, according to some of the things that Prettii Don had said in this video, I get the understanding that she's trying to let persons know or understand that they should trust thieves at their own cost. In my point of view, I think she might have a point right there, you know. I think she may have a good point right there. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. You see, I just presented to you 2 pieces of videos that are out on social media, and these videos are being talked about, and you don't know, you can let me know what you think about these 2 videos that I just presented to you. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.